Welcome back to Total Vigor, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Today we delve into the world of vegetables and their importance in maintaining a balanced diet. Vegetables are not only delicious and versatile but also play a crucial role in providing essential nutrients that support overall health and well-being. Incorporating a variety of vegetables into your daily meals is key to ensuring you receive a wide range of nutrients that are vital for optimal functioning of the body. From vitamins and minerals to fiber and antioxidants, vegetables offer a plethora of health benefits that can help prevent chronic diseases and boost your immune system. Throughout this journey, we will be categorizing vegetables into different tiers based on their nutritional value, versatility, and overall health benefits. By understanding the unique qualities of each vegetable, you will be able to make informed choices when it comes to meal planning and creating balanced, nutrient-rich dishes. Get ready to explore the world of vegetables like never before as we uncover the top-tier veggies that should be a staple in your diet, as well as some hidden gems that deserve more recognition. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive into the colorful and nutritious world of vegetables. Tier 1 Vegetables, top-tier nutritional powerhouses. When it comes to vegetables that pack a nutritional punch, there are a few standout contenders that belong in the top tier. Spinach, kale, and broccoli are among the elite group of vegetables known for their exceptional nutrient density and health benefits. Spinach, often hailed as a superfood, is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron, calcium, and antioxidants. This leafy green powerhouse supports healthy vision, bone health, and immune function. Whether sautéed, blended into smoothies, or added to salads, spinach adds a vibrant burst of nutrients to any dish. Kale, another nutrient-dense leafy green, is a great source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as fiber and antioxidants. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties and potential cancer-fighting benefits, kale can be enjoyed in salads, soups, smoothies, and even as crispy kale chips for a satisfying crunch. Broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable, is packed with vitamins C and K, folate, fiber, and antioxidants like sulforaphane. This versatile veggie supports heart health, digestion, and may even have anti-cancer properties. Whether steamed, roasted, or added to stir-fries, broccoli adds a delicious and nutritious element to any meal. Incorporating these top-tier vegetables into your diet can help you meet your daily nutrient needs and support overall health and well-being. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the diverse world of vegetables and uncover more nutritional gems in our tier lists. Tier 2 Vegetables, nutritious gems for health and wellness. As we continue our journey through the world of vegetables, we now turn our attention to the second-tier veggies that offer a wealth of nutrients and health benefits. Bell peppers, carrots, and cauliflower are among the standout vegetables in this category, each bringing its own unique set of nutrients and properties to the table. Bell peppers, available in a variety of vibrant colors, are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants like beta-carotene. These crunchy and sweet peppers support eye health, immune function, and skin health. Whether raw in salads, roasted in a stir-fry, or stuffed with delicious fillings, bell peppers add a pop of color and flavor to any dish. Carrots, known for their bright orange hue, are packed with beta-carotene, vitamins A and K, and fiber. These crunchy root vegetables promote healthy vision, skin, and digestion. Enjoy carrots raw as a snack, roasted as a side dish, or blended into soups and smoothies to reap their nutritional benefits. Cauliflower, a versatile cruciferous vegetable, is a good source of vitamins C and K, fiber, and antioxidants. With its mild flavor and ability to mimic starchy foods, cauliflower is a popular low-carb alternative in dishes like cauliflower rice, mashed cauliflower, and cauliflower pizza crust. To maximize the benefits of these second-tier vegetables, try incorporating them into a variety of dishes and cooking methods. Whether raw, steamed, roasted, or blended, these nutritious gems can add a delicious and healthful element to your meals. Stay tuned as we uncover more vegetable treasures in our tier lists. Tier 3 Vegetables, healthy choices with a lighter nutrient profile. In our exploration of nutrition tier lists, we now shine a spotlight on the third-tier vegetables that, while offering fewer nutrients compared to higher tiers, still make healthy additions to a balanced diet. Iceberg lettuce, cucumbers, and radishes are among the vegetables in this category, each providing unique benefits and flavors to your meals. Iceberg lettuce, known for its crisp texture and mild flavor, is a hydrating vegetable that contains vitamins A and K, as well as water and fiber. While it may not be as nutrient-dense as darker leafy greens, iceberg lettuce can still contribute to your daily intake of essential nutrients. Use it as a base for salads, wraps, or sandwiches for a refreshing crunch. Cucumbers, with their high water content and refreshing taste, are a good source of vitamins K and C, as well as antioxidants. These versatile vegetables can be enjoyed raw in salads, sliced for dipping in hummus, or pickled for a tangy snack. Incorporating cucumbers into your meals adds a hydrating and nutritious element. Radishes, with their peppery flavor and vibrant color, are rich in vitamins C and B6, as well as fiber and antioxidants. These crunchy root vegetables can be sliced thinly for salads, roasted for a caramelized flavor, or pickled for a zesty kick. Experiment with radishes in salads, slaws, or as a crunchy topping for tacos. While third-tier vegetables may offer fewer nutrients compared to higher tiers, they still play a valuable role in a balanced diet. Get creative with how you incorporate these vegetables into your meals to add variety and flavor while reaping their health benefits. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the diverse world of vegetables in our tier lists. Tier 4 Vegetables. Wholesome additions for a balanced plate. As we continue our journey through nutrition tier lists, we now explore the 4th tier vegetables that, while less nutrient-dense compared to higher tiers, can still play a role in a healthy and balanced diet. Celery, zucchini, and green beans are among the vegetables in this category, offering their own unique flavors and textures to enhance your meals. Celery, with its crunchy stalks and refreshing taste, is low in calories and a good source of fiber, vitamins K and C, and antioxidants. While it may not be as nutrient-packed as some other vegetables, celery can still contribute to your daily fiber intake and add a satisfying crunch to dishes. Enjoy celery sticks with nut butter, add them to soups and stews for extra flavor, or include them in salads for a refreshing bite. Zucchini, a versatile summer squash, is low in calories and a good source of vitamins C and K, as well as fiber. While it may not be as nutrient-dense as some other vegetables, zucchini can be a great addition to your meals for added texture and flavor. Try spiralizing zucchini for a low-carb pasta alternative, grilling slices for a tasty side dish, or adding chunks to stir fries for a pop of color. Green beans, also known as string beans, are a good source of vitamins C and K, as well as fiber and antioxidants. While they may not be as nutrient-rich as some other vegetables, green beans can still provide essential nutrients and add a crisp texture to your dishes. Incorporate green beans into stir-fries, salads, or roasted vegetable medleys for a nutritious boost. Including 4th-tier vegetables in moderation can still contribute to a well-rounded and varied diet. Combine these vegetables with higher-tier options to create balanced meals that offer a mix of nutrients and flavors. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the world of vegetables and uncover more tips for healthy eating in our tier lists. As we come to the end of our exploration of nutrition tier lists, vegetables, it's important to recap the key points discussed and encourage you to continue your journey towards a healthier and more vibrant lifestyle. Remember, incorporating a variety of vegetables into your daily meals is essential for providing your body with a wide range of nutrients that support overall health and well-being. Throughout this video, we highlighted the importance of including vegetables in your diet and showcased the nutritional benefits of different vegetable tiers. From top-tier powerhouses like spinach, kale, and broccoli to 4th-tier options like celery, zucchini, and green beans, each vegetable offers its own unique set of nutrients and flavors that can enhance your meals and contribute to a balanced diet. We encourage you to continue exploring the colorful and nutritious world of vegetables by trying out new recipes, experimenting with different cooking methods, and learning more about the health benefits of various vegetables. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, there are endless possibilities when it comes to incorporating vegetables into your meals. So, let's continue this journey together and make vegetables a central part of our daily eating habits. Stay curious, stay creative, and most importantly, stay healthy. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video as we continue to uncover the wonders of nutrition and wellness through the power of vegetables. Remember, your health starts on your plate.